What's up, YouTube? This is Innovator Within. In this video, I'm going to do a quick review how I installed my wired cameras using my surroundings to hide the wires. I have 8 cameras. I ran 3 cameras on one side of the house, running the wires inside the soffit. Then I transitioned from the soffit to the pool enclosure, ran it inside the frame. I went all the way around back to the master bedroom where we decided to have the DVR. And I ran the wires in electrical PVC pipe for the other side of the house. The way I ran the wires for the main entrance camera, I ran it through the soffit and I wrapped around the garage, and I also used the crawl space above the garage. I didn't want to see the wires, so I decided to buy electrical PVC that you could bury and 2 junction boxes for the installation. I'm just going to give you a quick view. This is already finished. You're going to see the side of the house, and you don't see wires going across to the back where the master bedroom is. All you see is clean stucco. And then once I walk to the back, I have a camera all the way, like almost to the top of the house, facing down, which this is like a blind spot for our house. So this camera is for that view. Then I come back up with the wires in to the junction box and into my master bedroom. And this is where the other side wraps around from the pool to the PVC electrical pipe that I buried and went back in, all back to the same DVR. I'm going to show you some footage of where the wires go from the soffit to the electrical PVC pipe. It was a lot of work, but well worth the results at the end. And now for prototype number 4. This is a wired camera in a fake gutter next to a real functional gutter. I hope this video not only shows you ideas of customizing, but also using your surroundings to better hide what you don't want to be seen. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.